So, what do you do on a Tuesday night when your wife's out of town and you should be remodeling your kitchen? Well, if you're Hoosier Outdoor, you probably film a cooking video for absolutely no reason. So, here we go. I've seen some online forum posts here recently about some good stick-to-your-ribs camping food. We're inside tonight, but you can make this anywhere you've got a fire or a way to heat something up. This is about as simple as it comes. This is something I make for the family from time to time and love to make camping. It's super simple. All you need is a good-sized pot. We're going to use my Dutch oven today. We got whole kernel corn, some diced tomatoes, 2 cans of black beans, a little bit of seasonings, some Spanish rice, and some good old smoked sausage that I love to cook so much. So it doesn't get a whole lot easier than this. You just dump everything into the pan. Can of tomatoes, can of whole corn, two cans of black beans. If you're camping, you always get the pole tops because if you're like me, 9 times out of 10, you're going to forget a can opener. Can number 2 of black beans. Two packages of Spanish rice. Nothing fancy here. A quick trip to any Walmart or grocery store and they should have everything you need. We're going to add 4 cups of water. Just what the rice calls for. Once that's all down, add your sausage. You can also add chicken or jalapeno peppers, banana peppers, season to your taste. One of the great things is you can throw about anything you want. A bag of shrimp. No one of my family's big seafood people but me, so I usually just throw smoked sausage in it because it's simple and easy. Add a little seasoned salt because it wouldn't be redneck without seasoned salt. Some garlic powder. Or if you want to do it right and get all fancy, just some cloves of garlic. And something I cook with constantly is this Weber kickin' chicken seasoning. Not going to put much in because, again, I'm the only one that likes spicy food, so. And that's literally all there is to it. Kick your stove on, or however you're going to cook, put it over the fire. Mix that up, let it cook down until the rice is firm and cooked, stirring constantly to keep it from burning on the bottom. And when it's done, you're all set to eat. It's pretty good stuff. It's super simple to make, easy to take camping, easy to make at home. Thought I'd share that with you. It's been a pretty crazy month, so I haven't been able to get much videos out. So that's going to change now. We got some new toys that came in, recording on the new Rode Wireless Go microphone here. That's going to be handy when I'm outdoors doing the camping videos. We got some camper repair stuff coming up, and but we're going to let this cook down. I'm going to zoom in here and show you what it looks like, and I'll show it again when it's done. And happy camping. All right, you get this far, just bring it down to a simmer, let the rice soften up. It's all cooked up. What better way can you feed a family of 4 for about $6? It's really hard to beat. So if you like this super easy meal, make sure and hit that like and subscribe button. Not something I do often, but I thought I'd throw a little cooking up on the channel this time. More stuff coming up, lots of reviews, camper repair, and of course some camping. So join us next time. Thanks for watching Hoosier Outdoor.